Hello, all. Welcome to day 23 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 12. The question goes like this. In a classroom, the teacher explains the properties of a particular curve by saying that this particular curve has beautiful ups and downs. It starts at 1 and heads down until pi radian and then heads up again and closely related to sine function, and both follow each other exactly pi by 2 radians apart as shown in the figure. Based on the above information, solve the following questions. First question. Write the name of the curve about which the teacher explained in the classroom. The hint is it starts at 1 and heads down until pi radian. So the teacher is referring to cosine function. Second question, find the area of the curve explained in the above passage from 0 to pi by 2. Area is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx, which is sin x limits 0 to pi by 2 sin pi by 2 minus sin 0, which is 1 minus 0, that is 1 square units. Question number 3. Find the area of the curve discussed in the above passage from pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. Area is equal to integral pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 cos x dx. Sin x limits pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, which is sin 3 pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2. In case you don't know the value of sin pi by 3 pi by 2, you can refer to the curve in the graph. Sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1 minus sin pi by 2 is 1, which is equal to minus 2. Area cannot be negative, so it is 2 square units. Question number 4. Find the area of the curve discussed in the above passage from 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. Area is equal to integral 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi cos x dx, which is sin x limits 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. Applying the limits, we get sin 2 pi minus sin 3 pi by 2. 0 minus sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. So the answer is 1 square units. Let's get back with another case study question tomorrow. Thank you all.